In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the About Me page on your website. What is an About page? An About page is a page that you see similar to this page here on my datshustle.com website, or this About page on my Caffeinated Blogger website. And the reason why it's a good idea to have an About Me page on your website, there are actually a couple of main reasons to do that. Reason number one is that it's one of the signals for Google that your website is a legitimate website. If a website does not have any pages like About Me, Contact Me page, privacy page, etc., it just looks like it's a spammy website. So having an About Me page gives Google one more reason to trust your website and to send you traffic. So there is a high chance that having an About Me page will actually result in high rankings and more traffic for you. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is that having a good About Me page, or an About Me page in general, will give your visitors an opportunity to learn more about you. So for example, when somebody comes to my About Me page on the Caffeinated Blogger website, they'll read a little bit about me, they'll see my photo, they'll see that I've been working online since 2006, that I used to work at a bank, that I've got a family, or for example, when they see this photo, they'll see that I've got a family, so they'll kind of feel a personal connection with me. So next time when they get an email from me in their inbox with a promotion about an affiliate product, or perhaps with my new video or a new post on my blog, they'll remember, that's the guy that used to work at the bank. That's the guy that's got a daughter. I do remember him. So it will help you build trust. These days people get hundreds of emails every single day, and most of them, they'll have no idea who that email is from. So if they have read about you on your About page and they've seen your photo, there's a good chance that they'll feel a stronger personal connection with you, which is excellent for in the future, for you to make money from your audience. So I'm going to show you how to set up a similar About Me page on your website. To start doing that, we need to go into our WordPress admin area, like what you can see here on the left-hand side. And under Pages, choose Add New. So click on Add New. And then we will want to say About. You can just call it About Us, like this. And then you will need to use this interface at the bottom to type up a little bit of a story about you, and think about what is the best thing that you can present to your audience to brand yourself a little bit, to let them know who you are, to form that personal connection, so that if somebody checks out the About Us page, they feel like they know you, they feel like they trust you, and they'll feel a personal connection with you. To get inspiration to kind of find out what to write in the About Us pages, check out other blogs and see what they write about, the blogs in your niche. For example, the About Us page on the Numerologist website says, here at Numerologist, our aim is to support you in your journey to deeper wisdom and greater self-knowledge. Why? So you can see the About information on this website. Okay, so I have written up some basic information, just 150 words, so it's only taken me a couple of minutes. And I'm not going to read this now. You guys can pause the video and read, but it's just some basic information. We can always come back to the About Us page at a later point in time and beef it up a little bit and make it sound nicer, but we just need a basic About Us page for now. Once again, I'm going to change this permalink to be just one word, so I'm going to remove -us. So the link to this will be positivenumerology.com/about. And let's publish this page. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now and a couple of things that we can do to improve it. So of course, it looks extremely basic right now. So the first thing that I will do is I will make these two things headings so that they stand out. And to do that, I'm going to go Shift-End, highlight this, or you can highlight this with a mouse, whichever way you prefer. I like to use the keyboard. And then I'm going to give this a heading 2 format. So this by default will format this text a little bit differently to the rest of the text. So let's click Update and let's reload this page here now. So you can see that we have now got 2 headings. So this already looks a little bit better. The other thing that I will do is I will add an image of me to this website. I like to put a photo. This generally makes people more comfortable with your website and more comfortable with you. So let's add a little image here. So I'm going to put it at the bottom. I'm going to hit enter like this after my name, and I'm going to click insert media, or add media rather. Let's upload a file. So we need to add the file from our drive. So I've got an image here. I'm just going to upload that, and I'm going to call it about positive numerology, like that. And then let's insert that into the page. Okay, so let's update this, and then let's refresh the page to see what it looks like. Okay, cool. So there we go. Some basic information here. Last thing that I will do is I've put a heading here, get in touch. So I said, if you have any suggestions or would like to get in touch with me, you can contact me here. So I'm going to hyperlink contact me here, and I'm going to link this to the contact page that we have created earlier. So there are a couple of ways to do this, but essentially if you highlight this, then you just need to click this hyperlink, so this chain looking thingy at the top, and here it says paste URL or type to search. So we already know the URL of our contact page. It's positivenumerology.com/contact. So that's one way to do it. Second way to do it would be to open all pages in the new tab. So I've just right clicked and then gone here, and then see where it says view. You can open that page to view it so that you can copy and paste the URL from here from the top, or you can simply right click and copy link address. That will actually, if I now delete and then paste, see that copied the URL of this page. So that's another, there are multiple ways of doing it. So there are different ways that you can do it that I've shown you here. Okay, so I'm going to choose that, contact me here, and then insert edit link, and then right click and paste. So this is now hyperlinked. So let's update it once again. And I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so let's just see. Right click, open a new tab. All right, so you can now see that this is actually a hyperlink. So it doesn't get formatted as a hyperlink, but that's okay. We're going to get to the formatting of hyperlinks a little bit later on. And once we update that formatting, all of the links that we've created so far on the website will get updated as well. The main thing is that we now have got the page, the about page, and we've got this link. So if somebody wants to contact me, they've got a way of navigating to the contact page and contacting me from the contact page. So last thing that I'll do, I'll probably add a heading here at the top to make it clear what kind of page they've landed on. So I'm gonna put about positive numerology on here at the top. So let's put about positive numerology, and let's also make this an H2 heading like this. So update. Okay, and I think this will do. Perfect. All right, that's great. So our page, the about page, is now ready, and we are ready to move on to the next part so we can continue building out our website. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.